Okay friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off nvidia broadcast background noise cancellation. Okay, now you can see here I'm using it, and there is my fan is working on speed 1 or 2, and it's just make a little sounds, and nearby my CPU is here, and also CPU make some fan sound. So I'm opening nvidia broadcast. You can see here. Then you can see noise removal is turned on. Strength is 100%. Okay, and you can simply click here to cancel the noise removal. Okay, now we are using the nvidia broadcast without noise removal and removal. You can see the difference. Okay guys, that's it. And okay, in this way you can simply turn off the noise removal. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch or understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.